In this video we will give you a list of all the famous places you have to explore while visiting Rajasthan. If you are planning a trip to Rajasthan, you must include these top cities like Jaipur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Ajmer and Pushkar in your itinerary. Now, let's talk about the best places to visit in these cities. Number 1 is Amber Palace. This fort is located in Amer, which is situated 11 kilometers from Jaipur. Located high on a hill, it is the principal tourist attraction in Jaipur. Amber Fort is known for its artistic style elements. With its large ramparts and series of gates and cobbled paths, the fort overlooks Mauta Lake, which is the main source of water for the Amber Palace. The timings are 8 am to 7 pm every day. The entry fees are 50 rupees for Indians and 550 rupees for foreigners. Number 2 is Ranthambore National Park. This is a vast wildlife reserve near the town of Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan. It is a former royal hunting ground and home to tigers, leopards and marsh crocodiles. The park remains open between October and June. The winter season between October and March is considered the best time to visit the national park due to the pleasant weather condition. We have added the website link for online safari booking for Ranthambore National Park on the description. Number 3 is Nahargarh Fort. The fort stands on the edge of the Aravalli Hills, overlooking the city of Jaipur. Nahargarh, which means abode of tigers, was a formidable barrier defending Jaipur against attacking enemies. Within its walls, the fort houses Madhvendra Bhavan, the summer destination for the members of the royal family. You can visit this fort from Monday to Sunday, and the timings are 10 am to 5:30 pm. The entry fees are 50 rupees for Indians and 300 rupees for foreigners. Number 4 is Jaisalmer Fort. It is situated in the city of Jaisalmer under the state of Rajasthan. It is one of the very few living forts in the world, as nearly 1/4 of the old city's population still resides within the fort. This magnificent structure stands proudly atop the Trikuta hill at a notable height of 250 feet. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has 4 main gates named as Ganesh Paul, Aksha Paul, Suraj Paul and Hawa Paul, providing access to the fort. It is generally open for visitors from 9 am to 6 pm on all days. The entry fees are 50 rupees for Indians and to 50 rupees for foreigners. Number 5 is Kumbhalgarh Fort. This fort is located on the westerly range of Aravalli Hills, approximately 84 kilometers from Udaipur. With the second longest wall in the world, about 38 kilometers long, this fort is recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, known as the Mewar Fortress, it was the birthplace of the great Rajput king, Maharana Pratap. This fort is open from 9 am to 6 pm every day of the week throughout the year. The entry fees are 35 rupees for Indians and 550 rupees for foreigners. Number 6 is Mehrangarh Fort. This fort is located in Jodhpur. It stands on a hilltop, rising about 122 meters above the surrounding plains, and the complex spans of 1200 acres. This is one of the largest forts in Rajasthan. It contains some of the finest palaces and many priceless relics of Indian courtly life. The entry fee of this fort is 100 rupees per person for Indian nationals. Senior citizens, students and paramilitary personnel can get tickets at 50 rupees. The audio guide costs 180 rupees. There is particular dress code for visiting this fort. No shorts or sleeveless tops allowed. Knees and shoulders must be covered for both men and women. Number 7 is Chittorgarh Fort. Also known as Chittor Fort, this is one of the largest living forts in India as well as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort was the capital of Mewar and is located in the present-day city of Chittorgarh. This is home to 22 water bodies, palaces, towers and temples spread over 700 acres. The entry fees are 50 rupees for Indians and 200 rupees for foreigners. The visiting hours are from 9:45 am to 6:30 pm on all days of the week except Mondays and important festivals. Number 8 is Pushkar. This is a temple town near Ajmer city and famous for Pushkar Lake. This has become a place of Hindu pilgrimage because of this holy lake. Legend has it that this lake was consecrated to Brahma, the creator of the universe, when a lotus dropped from his hand into the well and a lake emerged in that place. The best time to visit Pushkar is between November to February. Pushkar hosts multiple festivals like the Camel Fair during these months. Also, must remember, Pushkar is officially meat, egg and alcohol free. Number 9 is Jantar Mantar. The Jaipur Astronomical Observatory, Jantar Mantar thought to have built by the ruler Savai Jai Singh II in 1729. This is one of the world's most accurate pre-modern observatories and attests 18th century efforts to improve understanding of planetary and other cosmetic movements. The timings are from 9 am to 4:30 pm. The entry ticket price is 50 rupees for Indians and 200 rupees for foreigners. Number 10 is Hawa Mahal. The 5-story building looks like a honeycomb of a beehive and it is always windy inside owing to the numerous windows and jharokhas. This amazing ventilation that the palace enjoys is the reason why it was named as the Hawa Mahal, which literally translates into the Palace of the Winds. The timing is 9 am to 4:30 pm every day. The museum is closed on Friday and Saturday. Number 11 is Sariska Tiger Reserve. This is located in Aravalli Hills and forms a part of the Alwar district of Rajasthan. This area was a hunting preserve for Alwar state and was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1958. The reserve is immensely rich in flora and fauna and is famous for Royal Bengal tiger. Apart from that, this park has populations of leopards, nilgai, sambhar, chital etc. The winter season between October and January is considered the best time to visit the park. We have added the website link for online safari booking for Sariska Tiger Reserve on the description. Number 12 is Junagadh Fort, which is located in the city of Bikaner, Rajasthan. Junagadh Fort is one of the most decorated forts in India and houses opulent palaces that give you a peek into the lives and times of the Maharajas of Bikaner. Unlike most forts in Rajasthan, this one has not been built on a high rock and has lower ramparts and towers. The entry fees are 50 rupees per person for Indians and 30 rupees for Indian students. Also, 300 rupees for foreigners and 150 rupees for foreign students. The timings are from 10 am to 4 pm. Number 13 is Bhangad Fort. This is a 16th century fort built in Rajasthan and this fort is famous for many haunted stories. Bhangad Fort is considered to be one of the most haunted palaces in India and is said to be cursed. Also, there are several legends associated with this fort. If you are an adventure lover, you should consider this fort in your itinerary. The entry fee for Indian tourists is 40 rupees and 200 rupees for foreigners. The timings are from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Number 14 is Mount Abu. This is the only hill station in Rajasthan state, near the Gujarat border. Other than its scenic beauty, Mount Abu is also popular as a seat of religious importance for Jain. There are multiple places to visit in Mount Abu, including Dilwara Jain temples, Nakki Lake, Adhar Devi temple and scenic beauty of the mountains, etc. The best time to visit Mount Abu is between November to February when the weather is pleasant. These months are ideal for sightseeing and trekking. These are all the main places you can explore while visiting Rajasthan. You can make your own itinerary depending on this information.